how to send a doodle on Instagram messages. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw on Instagram messages within the Instagram app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to be able to doodle on Instagram messages, we need to first open up the messages section of the app. And you can do that by selecting messages in the top right, and then just select the message you want to doodle on. From there, all you need to do is go down to the bottom where it says message, go to the right, select the plus symbol, and then choose draw. Now, if you don't have draw, that might be because Instagram is still rolling out this feature. So you'll get it soon. But if you want to try to get it a little sooner, what I recommend doing is making sure you have the latest version of Instagram installed on your Android or iPhone. So to do that, navigate to either the Google Play Store if you're on an Android or Samsung phone, and then just search Instagram. So select the Instagram app, and then if an update is available, and this is with both app stores, you'll see update, just select update. It'll go ahead and download and install the latest version of Instagram to your Android or iPhone. And once it's done, open up the Instagram app and then see if Draw is now available to you. But once you have Draw, all you need to do is select it. And then at the top, you'll get all the different marker, highlighter, different eraser, things like that. So you can select what you want to use, and then you can choose a color. You can also use this little pin drop to select a color on the actual message. And then when you draw, it'll be in that color. So once you draw, to send it, select the little send icon, and then that will be in the direct message on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.